It's being stretched too far, too thin. AI is not new, but its ubiquity, its access, and its applications are new at a scale that we haven't seen. If you look at the adoption curves going all the way back to electricity, light bulbs, steam engines, keep going. The fastest adoption was the internet took 20 years to get to 1 billion users. AI took less than a year. So it's exciting. What we're challenging the companies to do is AI will change your business for the better and for the worse. You better figure out now what those two things are and invest in understanding how it impacts your business. So if you think of something like a StubHub or a Hopper, both of them are using AI in offensive. They're using it for customer service. Nobody likes to wait on the phone. They're using it defensively because it's starting to disaggregate content on the internet. So you need to be able to have good marketing campaigns that attract users to your site without having your content scattered. So AI is very real. You have to understand it. If somebody walks in your office and says, I'm at AI.com, run. There's a lot of bad money chasing bad ideas, but in somewhere in the middle of it is the kernel that I think every business will be transformed, just like the internet transformed every business you can think of. AI will do the same. It will take time, but applied AI, meaning AI used by companies, that's really where I think the real change will happen.